We've got them in a pan of water. We're going to separate out the larger stuff. And this is what a pan full of gold is supposed to look like. There's probably 6-7 ounces of gold, maybe more in there. That's Carolina gold. A lot better than California gold to me. It's a high quality gold. It's real thick. Check this out. Chunks of gold. So we're going to take this now, separate out the big, wash it down, and then we're going to get ready to smelt it. And we'll show you some of the smelting process of it. So now we're going to go to the smelter. Okay, now we've got the sand separated from the nugget that we crushed. We're going to take it now and start taking small portions of the gold here and melt it down. We'll show you this process step by step, what we're fixing to do with it. So next is going over to the crucible to melt. Okay, what we've got going here is the crucible's heated up. We preheated it. Then we put a small amount of gold from our pile here in, and then we bring it up to heat just a little at a time to keep the quartz inside of it from popping. It'll expand very fast and pop like popcorn if you get it up too fast. So I'm bringing the heat up a little more now, and as you can see, beads are starting to form. As the gold melts, it has to be brought up to 1950 degrees, almost 2000 degrees. And then from this, when it melts down into the smaller beads like this one right here, we'll take these smaller beads and weigh them up, and that's what we make our coins from. Okay, what we've got, we've melted our gold down from the crushed nugget. We showed you how we put it into the crucible, and we brought it down into bead sizes. These are 10-gram beads. They'll be stamped into coins. This is a 20-gram. It'll be stamped into a coin, a 20-gram coin, the new die for the 2012. These are all 4.4-gram beads. They're pure gold. We burned them twice. We melt them down the first time, separate the quartz and the other metals out. Then we refine it with a flux. It's a trade secret, the flux that we use, but it brings them down to 999. The little bit of tarnish you see like on the outside of this one is simply just a residue from some of our flux, and they hadn't been polished down yet. This is our Type 3 2012 4.4-gram coin. We went ahead and coined a couple of the beads to see how they would do and to check their purity. This is a palmetto tree on the front of this one, and the South Carolina on each side, SC. Then under it is the date 2012 in Roman numerals. This is old style Roman numerals, where a line above whatever numbers under it stands for 1,000 times. We use the 2 bar and then a line above it, which is 2,000, X for 10, and then 2 ones for 2012. The back side of the coin has cross picks and CMC for Confederate Mining Company, and then a small C at the bottom for Cowpen, South Carolina, where we mint our coins at. These coins are available on eBay. They're also available if you contact us at confederate.mine@yahoo.com. Thank you for your time, and we appreciate any response that you give us.